Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your cancellations on your booking admin portal. So as you can see here guys, I'm on the admin portal, and to quickly check your cancellations you want to scroll down and you will find happening day, right? So it's going to show you what are the current operations that is happening today, and right here you'll be able to see the number of cancellation already started count. So if you have some cancellation you'll be able to find them, but if you click on cancellation, it's going to take you over to where you can find all of the cancellations, right? And you can even do this for a period of time as well. So you can go ahead and you can click where it says the reservation. You can choose reservation. You can check check-ins. You can go ahead and you can filter stuff as well. And you also have the more filter. And once you click on the more filter, guys, you can choose, for example, canceled. Once you do that, you can basically filter it and you'll be able to show the reservation of the canceled user. And that's how you'll be able to see it as well, because you are able to see okay, no show, canceled, paid online, and so forth. But you can choose that to be able to show canceled as well. Here's the date, and basically all there is to it, guys. It's very easy and very simple.